Hey, Motorman here with my tip of the week. Now, I see a lot of people having a problem making a right turn from a stop. So here's the scenario. We have a stop sign right here. Traffic could be coming this way. If you're not sure how to use the clutch and throttle, the friction zone, this is the best way to approach it. Notice the way this bike is parked here. I'm a couple of feet back behind the lane, and I have the bike already pointing in the correct direction. Now, really, this is an amateur move, but it's better to be and look like an amateur than go over that double yellow line. So between this cone and this cone is 12 foot. That's what you have out on the street. Between this cone and this cone is 12 feet. If you tend to drive too wide and cross into the next lane, you are in deep trouble. So this is how the person who's not sure of their riding abilities should stop the bike just like this. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this right turn, and I'm going to show you the professional way of doing this. I'm already pointed towards the right. I want to turn my head and eyes and look. Further right I look, the tighter the turn is going to be. So from a dead stop, I look, there's no cars coming. Now I'll show you the professional way. You got some practice under your belt with the clutch and throttle. As a professional, I do not have to get all the way over to the left. I could be in the middle of my lane. So I stop my motorcycle here. I turn my head and eyes to the right. Now I'm going to start with a little bit of pressure on the rear brake. I'm going to have my handlebars turned slightly and my head and eyes looking as far to the right as possible. And the bike easily makes that turn. Turn my head and eyes. Now, don't forget, we've got a lot of specials going. Take a look at our website. It's not too late to get it by Christmas. Give us a call at 866-868-7433 or go online, ridelikeapro.com. You'll see our store there. You'll see all the videos and the deals that we have, some combined with the book and the video, or you can get the entire set of videos. That's a total of 5 videos and my book for $84.75. You can't beat that. It's the best money you will ever spend on your motorcycle. Until next week.